Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Abdullah Najimi. Today our topic is basic Arabic vocabulary. So this vocabulary will be enough for covering our lectures, but this vocabulary will not be enough for covering the entire Arabic. So please, I hope that you will improve your vocabulary through various ways, which was explained in the very beginning lecture. So these are asma. So these are all nouns. So before coming to the lecture, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please click on the bell button in order to receive the lectures on time. Why these columns are empty and this cell is empty? So these are some secrets which will be inshallah exposed in coming lectures. I hope you learn and memorize this vocabulary, because this vocabulary will be very essential for covering our lectures. Without this, coming lectures would be difficult, and this vocabulary is the backbone of our lectures. So let me begin from the first word. Udhun. Udhun means ear. Ab, father. Ajr, reward. Akh, brother. Ard, earth. Ism, noun or name. Imra, woman. Anf, nose. Bab, door. Bahar, sea. So bint, daughter or girl. Bait, house. Jabal, mountain. Jidar, wall. Jawab, answer. Had, limit. Harb, war. Kharita, map. Dhikr, remembrance. Ras, head. Rajul, man. Rasul, messenger. Sarir, bed. Su'al, question. Shari', street. Shajara, tree. Sha'r, shi'r, poetry. Shams, sun. Sahifa, newspaper. Saut, voice. Am, uncle. Amal, action. Ain, eye. Ghurfa, room. Fakiha, fruit. Fi'l, act. Qa'ida, base. Qadam, foot. Qalb, heart. Qalam, pen. Kitab, book. Kub, cup. Lisan, tongue. Madrasa, school. So however, in some region madrasa means religious school, but in Arabic madrasa means any school, whether it's religious or non-religious. Madhab, doctrine or religious sect. Marad, illness. Mirwaha, fan. Masjid, mosque. Miftah, key. Maktab, desk. Nafidha, window. Nabi, prophet. Waraq, paper. Wazn, weight. Waqt, time. Walad, boy or son. So let me come to the second asma. So bitaqa, ID card. Baqara, cow. Jami'a, university. Hujra, room. Sa'a, clock, watch. Sabura, whiteboard or board. Sayara, car. Ta'ira, aeroplane. Alama, sign. So let me come to the third category. So these are name of countries and cities. For example, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Al-Bahrain, Riyadh, Al-Doha, Tokyo, Al-Sin, Qatar, Al-Qahira, Kabul, Al-Hind, Lebanon, Al-Yaban, London, Paris, Misr. Paris means Paris. Al-Yaban means Japan. And Kabul means Kabul. As-Sin means China. Tokyo means Tokyo. So these are some mudhakkar asma. These are male's name. Ibrahim, Usman, Adam, Ali, Usama, Lut, Ishaq, Muhammad, Hamza, Nuh, Hanzala, Yaqub, Zayd, Yusuf, Abbas. And these are some mu'annas or female asma. Amina, Khadija, Zainab, Aisha, Fatima, Zahra, Maryam, Hafsa. So our lecture is completed. Inshallah, tomorrow we will cover the second part of our vocabulary.